At the heart of the global economy lies the industrial sector, a powerhouse of production, innovation, and progress. Here, efficiency, safety, and precision are not just goals, they're necessities. Welcome to Empress, your pathway to industrial innovation. Our platform integrates operations, maintenance, and supply chain management into a unified digital ecosystem, elevating your industrial capabilities. Imagine real-time production monitoring, predictive maintenance, and precise inventory management. With Empress, safety and compliance are paramount, ensuring adherence to the highest standards through tailored protocols and automated tracking. Simplify your supply chain with Empress. Smoother vendor coordination, precise logistics planning, and clear communication are now within reach, speeding up market delivery. Empress isn't just a tool. It's a partner in driving industrial success. Imagine more unified operations, more efficiency, and more effective production. Elevate your industrial operations with Empress. Discover our transformative impact at empress.eco. Empress. Imagine more.